So the internet's been buzzing about something called Nano Banana or Nano Banana, depending where you're from. And no, it's not the next crypto coin or some sort of TikTok renegade dance. It's actually Google's brand new AI image generation tool. And trust me, this thing might give Midjourney and DALL-E a run for their money. Though I'm still not sure why they picked Nano Banana as a name. Like, were all the other cool fruits taken? Who knows? So in this video, we'll go through what is Nano Banana, how good are the images really, how do they stack up against ChatGPT, and if you're a business owner, should you actually use it and how? If you're new to the channel and don't know who I am, my name is Moise, and I help business owners take advantage of AI by building solutions and workflows to help their businesses grow. I've spent close to half a decade advising multinational organizations on data and AI, and I'm here to share my knowledge and give you practical tips to take advantage of the AI opportunity. So here's the deal. Nano Banana is actually codename for Gemini 2.5 Flash image. And you can kind of see why they picked a pretty funky name. Google claims it's really optimized for maintaining your look as you edit. Some of the features they sort of mention is about giving yourself a costume or location change using just prompting, blending photos together. So if you have two photos, can you combine them both together and make one single image? Multi-turn editing. So type a prompt in, change it, type another prompt in, change the image again, so on and so forth. And also mixing up design. So can we take a pattern from one design and apply it to the other? Now, if you've ever used DALL-E, Midjourney, or even Stable Diffusion, you kind of know the struggles of editing images. You try and give it a prompt to edit an image, and suddenly the picture looks like your evil twin, or you've lost something like 5 fingers. So Google is really trying to solve this issue by trying to maintain the character's likeness across different prompts. Okay, so let's dive into this with some examples. So here I have loaded up Google AI Studio. This is where you can access Nano Banana. So I'm going to click try Nano Banana and let's give it an image. So I'm going to try out their sample media. Let's go for a nice cat because who doesn't like cats? And I'm going to add a prompt and I'm going to say, give cat full of string. Let's see what it whips up. Okay, cool. So as you can see, it's pretty much got the cat, the face and the features of the cat pretty much exactly the same. And the way the fur is, the ear is. The only difference is it's got a nice spot of string with its paw on top of the string. Now, one of the things Google claims is that you can keep editing the image and it'll do pretty well. So what we'll say is make the ball see it. I think it did a great job of that actually. So it changed the ball of string from red to blue. Again, with the cat's features and everything being exactly intact as it was. Now let's move on to Sora, which is ChatGPT's image generation model, to see how the same prompt compares. So this is Sora. It's got a whole host of images, a different user interface. But what we can do is upload one from my device. Okay, so I've uploaded the cat image from my device and we're going to give it the same prompt. So give the cat a ball string. So it's added it to the queue. And if I click on my media, this is where it should go. Okay, so that took a while for the image to generate. And on first pass, it's pretty good, I think. It gives the cat a ball of string, a slightly different pose, and they give you a couple of options as well. Now, if we say make the ball of string cyan blue. So here's the result after that second prompt, and it's completely removed the cat. It's just given us the ball of cyan blue string. So you can see it's quite different to Nano Banana, where Nano Banana had the cat in it and just changed the color of the string, and it performed as we expected. ChatGPT and Sora basically removed the cat altogether. So what really is the point of being able to generate these images? Is it really for fun, or can businesses actually benefit from it? In fact, this is fantastic for businesses. especially if you're in the product or marketing world as well. So think about this. If you're a YouTube creator, perhaps, and you want to make slick thumbnails and really play around and A/B test different thumbnails, this is a fantastic use case without spending hours on Canva. And if you want to have an Instagram reel where you want your face to be in 7 different countries, in Thailand and in other places, without you really having to move your mouse, again, a fantastic idea. But for businesses, you can really create some really slick workflows for your social media, for marketing campaigns, all by using Nano Banana. And because it's pretty fast, you don't need to wait ages for the content to generate for itself like you do with Sora. You can literally snap your fingers and the content can generate. You can iterate with it quite rapidly as well. There are many use cases and many ideas for product and marketing if you want to essentially explore with them. If you want to figure out way more use cases of how you can use Nano Banana and other AI tools like this, check out my free guide down below in the description, where I have 50 different use cases that you can implement right now for your business. And if you are a business owner and you want to understand how you can implement some of these practically as an AI agent, then feel free to get in touch with me down below as well. With that, we'll end the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos like this and other tools too.